Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams. Are you wondering what smart contracts are and how they're changing the way we interact with blockchain technology? Whether you're a crypto enthusiast, a beginner, or just curious about the tech behind blockchain, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down what smart contracts are, how they work, and why they're such a game changer in the world of technology. So, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Part 1. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are smart contracts? Think of a smart contract as a digital agreement that automatically executes itself when specific conditions are met. Unlike traditional contracts that require intermediaries like lawyers or banks, smart contracts operate on blockchain networks. This means they're decentralized, transparent, and tamper-proof. For example, let's say you want to rent an apartment. Instead of going through a leasing agency, a smart contract could automatically release your security deposit when the rental period ends, without requiring anyone to manually approve the transaction. Part 2. Now, how do smart contracts actually work? Smart contracts are simply pieces of code stored on a blockchain. They define specific conditions and the actions to take when those conditions are met. For instance, if person A sends 1 ETH, then person B receives a digital asset. Smart contracts rely on blockchain platforms like Ethereum, Solana, or Binance Smart Chain. They're written in programming languages like Solidity or Rust and are deployed onto the blockchain, where they become immutable, meaning no one can alter them after they live. This ensures trust and security. Part 3. Why are smart contracts so important? Now, you might be asking, why should I care about smart contracts? Well, they're a fundamental building block of blockchain technology. Here are a few key benefits. 1. Automation. No need for middlemen, as tasks are automated and instant. 2. Transparency. Transactions and agreements are publicly recorded on the blockchain. 3. Cost effectiveness. By eliminating intermediaries, you save money on fees. 4. Security. Once a smart contract is deployed, it's virtually impossible to tamper with it. These qualities make smart contracts the backbone of decentralized finance. DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, supply chain solutions, and even voting systems. Part 4. Use cases of smart contracts. So where are smart contracts being used today? Here are just a few real-world examples. DeFi decentralized finance. Smart contracts enable lending, borrowing, and trading without banks or brokers. Platforms like Uniswap and Aave run entirely on smart contracts. NFTs, non-fungible tokens. When you buy or sell NFTs, you're actually interacting with a smart contract that transfers ownership of the asset. Supply chain management. Companies use smart contracts to track goods as they move across the globe. This reduces fraud and increases efficiency. Insurance claims. Smart contracts automatically trigger payouts when specific conditions, like flight delays, are met. Part 5. Risks and challenges of smart contracts. Of course, smart contracts aren't perfect. Here are 3 challenges to keep in mind. 1. Coding errors. If the contract has bugs or vulnerabilities, hackers can exploit them. A famous example is the 2016 DAO hack on Ethereum. 2. Irreversibility. Once a smart contract is deployed, it can't be altered, even if there's a mistake in the code. 3. Legal issues. The laws around smart contracts are still evolving, and not every country recognizes them as legally binding. To minimize risks, it's crucial to have contracts audited by professionals and to only interact with verified smart contracts on trusted platforms. Part 6. The future of smart contracts. So, what does the future hold for smart contracts? As blockchain technology evolves, smart contracts will become even more integral to our daily lives. They're already powering the rise of Web3, creating new opportunities in areas like gaming, real estate, and even healthcare. With more developers entering the space and blockchain networks becoming faster and more scalable, the possibilities are endless. Smart contracts are transforming the world, one transaction at a time. Whether you're into crypto, NFTs, or just love tech, understanding smart contracts is key to staying ahead in the blockchain revolution. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite use case for smart contracts? Thanks for watching.